Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, it's gonna be a simple one, but it's something, and we're getting into those small details on the Dodge Dakota. Mine's an RT, but yours could be any model. And it's the interior lights. So you can probably already tell from the title, there is footwell interior lights that I've been meaning to change for a little while now, but just with everything else going on, haven't gone around to them. Today's the day. I'm gonna show you guys the difference between a good and bright LED. So these are the 194s. I'll link these in the description. These have LEDs on pretty much every single side you can think of, and how they compare to one of these halogen peanut bulbs. So I'm gonna show you guys where they're located on my truck. You guys may have some in the rear if you guys have maybe a quad cab or extended cab or anything like that on your truck, but mine just has two being a single cab. Show you where they're at, show you the difference before and after. Let's go. Okay, so here we go, Dakota RT. So this is a minor detail, you guys, but like I said, something that I've wanted to kind of do for a little while here. So immediately when you open it up, you're greeted by these stock yellowish bulbs that barely do anything. And you can probably tell the location right there. So there's one here, and there's also one on the driver's side, so you're gonna need a pair. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna get up here, you're gonna yank it out before it gets too hot and you burn your fingertips off. You're just gonna get it and grab it out. So you might need somebody with small hands. It might already be too hot to grab, but you're gonna pop these little guys out. And I'm laughing because I can't even get my finger in here to show you guys, but I promise you just wiggle them out. So I'm gonna close the door before this gets too crazy and too hot, or grab a towel like you guys might do, and then we'll pull it out. Okay, so if you're like me and you're burning your fingers off, reach over and just roll your lights all the way down until they turn off, and then you can still pull them out, but you might still want to use some sort of rag or towel so you can pull them out without burning your fingertips off. And eventually you will get them out. So there's mine, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy in there. These usually aren't polarity sensitive, so you don't have to worry about that, but watch this, you guys. Wait till you see how bright this thing is. It is gonna be worth the effort. You ready? Let's turn them back on. Let's reach over here. Boom. Look at that bright, crisp, white light. So once this gets a little bit darker, I'll show you guys a true comparison of left to right. That one's barely doing anything over there. And I also did some inspection for you guys. My truck already came with LEDs up here. Kind of has these little LED panels, but I might go for some different ones. I'm not huge on the blue color. I know the truck is blue, but they don't put out light as best as they could. I might opt for some white ones, so we'll work on that next, but I wanted to at least make that mention to you guys that I am going to work on getting all the aesthetics figured out on this. So let's let the sun go down a little bit. I'll show you guys the other side. And on the driver's side, if you're wondering where the bulb is located, because mine is actually missing, it is right up here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right up here, kind of next to where your OBD2 port is. Just look directly up and you'll see it up there as well. All right guys, I don't even think I need to wait till it gets fully dark out. That is just a regular standard halogen, and that is with one of those LEDs. Like, huge difference. Watch, I'll even walk around to the other side. So standard halogen, and there's one of those LEDs. So it's pretty obvious which one the clear choice is in this. So let me get the other one in there and I'll show you guys both sides. All right, now we're talking, guys. So there's a huge shadow casted here, but honestly it's because that light is so freaking bright, but can't get mad about it. But it definitely does what it's supposed to do. So you can see there, we got both lit the heck up, and I think that is a success. So takes 2 seconds, and I really like the outcome. Just so you guys know, I am at some point probably going to be doing something with these lights. I know a lot of guys are asking me how mine are blue. I don't know, I might leave them, honestly. They're not too bad now. Before, somebody had like half of them working, half of them not working, so, but now it's not too bad, but I can live with that. I think I'm still gonna do something with up here because I'm not too impressed by those blue lights. I want to get some nice white ones. Yeah, I already decided. We're gonna fix this, you guys. I already know exactly what we're gonna put in here. We did the same thing on the 4th gen Ram. Look for that video soon. I'm gonna get that done. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you turn on your post notifications. I did make a secret post. If you guys didn't catch it, you didn't catch it. But just to clue you guys in, a couple of these bulbs, LED bulbs, white, pretty much the same brightness as the ones you guys saw on there. They're going to somebody, and you guys know why if you know why. So anyways, you guys, make sure your notifications are turned on because I'll be dropping little things along the way. I'm also gonna send some stickers with that as well. So little perks, little cool things. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.